Hello, I'm Don Cleveland. I'm the president of NPR FINTRA, Inc. and Insurance Marketplace Resources. We're risk management and insurance specialists, and we're licensed in all states of the United States. And our mission is primarily to help you understand risk and also how insurance relates to that particular risk. So we help solve problems. That's our mission. And in order to do that, I'd like to talk about a service contract today. Happens to be a service contract between a homeowners association and a landscaping operation. The contract is worth $250,000, so it's no small thing. In this respect, however, when I reviewed the contract, I was really shocked because there are certain things you should find in a service contract that really weren't in this contract at all. For example, there were no insurance requirements whatsoever placed upon the contractor to protect either his operation or the operation of the homeowners association or the homeowners. There was no workers' compensation requirement, no general liability requirement, no auto liability coverage requirement. And when you stop and think about it, with a landscaping operation, you have people whizzing all around the place in various kinds of vehicles in and around the properties of the homeowners and the homeowners association. There was also no crime or honesty coverage required. And just to give you an example, in that particular case, one of the employees of the landscaping company could steal something from a homeowner or from the homeowners association, and there would be no recourse. Well, you might say, well, the contractor would have to make that up. But unfortunately, the problem is also in this contract, there is no provision for indemnification by the contractor. No provision for indemnification of the homeowners association if something goes wrong. No provision for indemnification of the individual homeowners as well. So in this particular case, we have even an additional problem. There's no employment eligibility verification whatsoever required in the contract. So what that means in reality is you could have any number of illegal immigrants working on your property, and to stretch things to an extreme, you could even have a terrorist working on your property without the employment verification required for employees in the United States. So here we have a contract that really hangs out the board of directors of the association to dry, and it hangs out the individual homeowners in the association. It hangs them out to dry too. No indemnification, no insurance requirements. So don't accept contracts like this. And as I pointed out, our mission is basically to help people understand risk and how insurance relates to those risks. So to help you out in this particular case, we'd be more than happy to do a free evaluation of your service contracts. In addition to that, if you have property appraisals, we'd be willing to take a look at the property appraisals and see if there's any way that we can recommend improving the appraisals to deal with insurance requirements. We are not appraisers, but we can certainly head you in the right direction. We also can look for harmful exclusions in your insurance policies that could damage you if you have a loss and the exclusion tells you, I'm sorry, but you're not covered. Well, in order to take advantage of all of these services that we have to offer to get you on the right road, just give us a call at 561-338-7488, and we're here to help you have a better day. Thank you.